What's up everyone? Claude SEO version 1.9 just dropped, and this one is special because it was built with our community. Back in March we had a challenge. It was to create an extension, a skill or an MCP server or anything of sort that will make Claude SEO or Claude Blog better. And this update covers it. Let me show you around. Quick start check. We have 4 new skills, 4 new agents, 7 new scripts and 30 new mods. Meet the contributors. We have Lutfiya with Semantic Cluster Engine. We have Florian with Search Experience Optimization. We have Dan with SEO Drift Monitor. We have Matei with E-commerce SEO. We have Chris with International SEO, and we have Benjamin with SEO Dungeon.
1, 2, 3, 4.
First off is our semantic topic clustering, our new skill, Cluster, by Lutfiya Miller, our challenge winner. Once again, Lutfiya, very well done, and once again, congratulations, you did amazing. What it does, what is this semantic topic clustering? Give it a seed keyword, it pulls the SERPs, finds which URLs rank across multiple queries, and groups them into clusters. You see exactly which keyword should be pillar pages and which should be supporting content. No paid tools needed. SERP overlap analysis, hub-spoke architecture, and interactive SVG visualization. This is the GitHub repo, everyone. So if you want to check it out, please check it out right here. I'm going to put also the link down in the description. Please have a look, put a star, and share with everyone. This approach is absolutely phenomenal. And once again, congratulations, Lutfiya. You did amazing. Next off is our search experience optimization, which is our new skill, SXO, by Florian Schmitz. What it does, it reads SERP backwards. Instead of looking at what ranks, look at what the user actually needs and check if your page type even matches. If Google's showing comparison lists, but you've got a product page, that's why you're not ranking. This skill catches it. Page type, mismatch detection, persona scoring, and intent gap analysis. This is the GitHub repo, everyone, so please have a look. You'll also find it down in the description. And of course, don't forget to give a star for Florian. Very well done, Florian. Next up is our SEO Drift Monitor, which is our new skill, Drift. So if you watch the movie Tokyo Drift, well, this is the same but for SEO, by Dan Colta. Git for SEO. Take a baseline snapshot of any page, titles, meta descriptions, headings, schema, the works, come back later, run a comparison, and it tells you exactly what changed. If your rankings dropped and you're wondering, did someone touch something? Now you will know. So basically, if someone changed something on your code base, maybe you have some developers and something is wrong there, this system will let you do that. So 17 comparison rules across 3 severity levels, generates HTML diff reports and history tracking. This is his GitHub repository, everyone, so please have a look. You'll also find it down in the description. And of course, don't forget to put a star. Very well done. Very well done. I'm really proud of you. Next off is our e-commerce SEO, which is our new skill, e-commerce, by Matei Marjanovic. Product schema generation, Google shopping data, Amazon competitor intelligence. If you're running a store, this one is for you. Product and catalog schema templates, live marketplace pricing intelligence, and auto detects WooCommerce, Shopify, and custom stores. This is his GitHub repository, everyone. Please have a look. It's a fork of Claude SEO. Absolutely phenomenal, Matei. You're having trouble with your international SEO? Don't worry, this skill got you covered. And meet the International SEO Enhanced, the multilingual skill by Chris Mueller. Cultural adaptation profiles for DAC, France, Spain, and Japan. Not just tags, real localization signals like formality levels, currency, and legal and compliance. 4 cultural profiles with locale-specific rules, content parity scoring across languages, and format validation per region. This is his GitHub repo, everyone, so please have a look. Please put a star. Very good job, Chris. SEO is not fun anymore? Then meet the SEO Dungeon, our Special Edition skill by Benjamin Samar, a 16-bit dungeon crawler that teaches your SEO. Benjamin built something completely different, by the way, a gamified learning experience. It didn't fit the Claude SEO scope, but it deserved its own moment. This is an example of it, guys. So imagine you're playing a pixel game, you're playing a game, you're choosing your character, and then you're just playing the game. You're killing demons right there, you're leveling up, and you're improving your SERP. Absolutely phenomenal. Other than that, we have also covered security, so total of 4 fixes. Every submission went through a full security audit. 4 vulnerabilities found and fixed before shipping with 0 critical issues. And that's it, Claude SEO version 1.9. And if you're using Claude, install it, try it out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one, everyone. Ciao.